Today is 19 July 2020. This day is also the birth anniversary of Mangal Pandey. Yes, friends, you all know that Mangal Pandey was one of the greatest freedom fighters in the Indian history. He was the one who initiated the 1857 Sepoy Mutiny. So today we will be remembering Mangal Pandey on his birth anniversary. So here Mangal Pandey, the great Indian freedom fighter, was martyred on April 8, 1857. We all know that Mangal Pandey was the first freedom fighter of India. He, in the month of March, 29 March 1857, he shot down a British officer in his regiment. He was an army person in the British East India Company Bengal Army. We will look about it later. Now, second, his patriotism and sacrifice for India will be remembered forever. He was the one who instigated the 1857 Indian Rebellion, that is also known as the outbreak of the First War of Indian Independence. So, this 1857 Indian War of Independence is also known as Sepoy Mutiny, Indian Rebellion, or some Indian historians, the freedom fighters, they call it as the First War of Indian Independence. So, the Mangal Pandey was the one he had the basically instigated the 1857 War of Independence. Now coming about his life in detail, then he was born on July 19, 1827 in Balia district, Uttar Pradesh, India. So Mangal Pandey was born in Balia, Uttar Pradesh, India, and 19 July 1827. He led to the Indian Rebellion in 1857, which is also known as the Sepoy Mutiny in 1857. His contribution in the Indian freedom struggle is unparalleled. So we all know that his contribution in Indian freedom struggle is very much valuable, and his name in the Indian history is written in the golden letters because he had ignited the revolution in that time when nobody was there. Although the Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose, they were also the greatest freedom fighter, but all of them they arose when already the revolutionary phase was going on in Indian freedom. But the Mangal Pandey was the one, and he was the alone hero, the solo hero of this revolution. The life of Mangal Pandey is all about patriotism, bravery, and courage. Mangal Pandey, as an Indian freedom fighter, is remembered as a symbolic revolutionary for initiating the first war of independence against the East India Company. So, as I already told you, that he was the one, and his name in the Indian history is remembered as symbolic revolutionary for initiating the first war of independence against the East India Company. So at that time, before 1857, the East India Company rule was there in the Bengal, but after the 1857 revolt, the rule went to the British Parliament and hence to the British Queen. So this is also one good point to remember, and this can be asked in any competitive exam. Now, knowing about some of the facts related to the life of Mangal Pandey. So, Mangal Pandey joined the 34th Bengal Native Infantry Regiment as a sepoy of the British East India Company. So, basically, at that time, there were no employment opportunity. So, the army, the soldier was the only opportunity for employment for every Indian. So Mangal Pandey also joined the British East India Company as a soldier, and he joined the 34th Bengal Native Infantry Regiment. So this is very important to note down. It can be asked in various exams. The 34th Bengal Native Infantry Regiment. He joined the Bengal Army in the year 1849 and was a private soldier in 5th Company of Regiment. So, as I already told, that he joined the Bengal Army in 1849 as a soldier in the 5th Company of the Regiment 34th Bengal Native Infantry. It was on March 29, 1857, Mangal Pandey attacked the British officers in Barakpur North Kolkata. So, let me tell you about this incident in detail. Actually, there was rumors that the cartouche or the bomb provided by the British East India Company is made up of the fat of cow and pig. So this ignited a sense of revolution among the Hindu and Muslim. So Mangal Pandey told the British officer that I will not use this bomb. So the British officer started molesting him. So in the anger, he shot down that British officer, and as a result, the British officer was killed. And at the same time, the Mangal Pandey was arrested, and on 8th of April 1857, he was hanged till death. So this incident happened in Barakpur, Kolkata. So this is also a point to be remembered. The Shahid Mangal Pandey Maha Udyan Park at Barakpur is built on his memory. This is place where he attacked the British officer and was later martyred. So this is the place particular the Mangal Pandey Maha Udyan Park at Barakpur in Kolkata, where he killed the British officer and later on he was hanged in the same place. So, as an honor to Mangal Pandey's contribution in Indian freedom struggle, the government of India issued a commemorative stamp in 1854 as a tribute to him. So, in 1984, our Prime Minister Sri Rajiv Gandhi he initiated a commemorative stamp to mark the birth anniversary of Mangal Pandey. So this is all about the Mangal Pandey in this particular lecture. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe and share it to your friends. So thank you. See you tomorrow.